Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, we will be looking at the simplest way how to insert multiple rows in Excel at once. So let's have a look now. First, open your Excel worksheet containing where you want to insert multiple rows. Now click on the row number where you want to insert rows to appear. Let's just say we need to insert 3 empty rows below row 5. Now right click on the selected row number and from the context menu choose insert. This will insert the same number of rows as you have selected. That's it. You have successfully inserted multiple rows in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other tutorials by SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.